Guys, welcome to the channel. It's Hamza, and in today's video I'm going to update you guys on what is going on with my portfolio, just like I do every single day. Really quickly, I know this video is being posted really late, but better late than never is what I say. I'm really busy with a couple of real estate transactions that I am doing. I am back at it in full swing. Well, not full swing because of course we are trading a lot every day, but I'm back at it and we are getting our next big real estate project that I'm going to be working on. So that's something that I'm also going to be sharing on the channel. But in the meantime, until that is finalized, we are going to keep doing these updates as regularly. Anyways, let me quickly go over what my day looked like. So we started the day off at $147,000 and ended the day at $142,000, losing $5,400. Now, today the market was kind of weird. I felt like we were going to have a green day yesterday, and I said that in yesterday's video, or the day before, sorry, video, because yesterday I didn't end up posting a video just because I've been so busy. I really thought we were going to have a green day today and tomorrow, and now it's looking a little different. I haven't looked at what the futures look like just yet, or what the international market looks like just yet, but it's not looking perfect all green. I was anticipating a little more green. I was anticipating PLTR to really pick up. I was anticipating the EV space to pick up. That was not the case in today's trading day. Tesla, in fact, could not hold that $700 mark, which it touched. Even Bitcoin ended up dropping today. And that was actually a major contributor in today's losses, because both Bitcoin and Ethereum, I probably lost around $2,500 just between Bitcoin and Ethereum. And so those did contribute to the portfolio. Now remember guys, we're trying to get this portfolio up to $1 million in 2021. So we're gonna have to make some changes in how we invested in the past. Now in the past, I had scattered out my investments over multiple SPACs and multiple growth stocks, and this worked fairly well to get us where we got to. But in March, the portfolio did die out. It did see a massive decline because we were invested in way too many stocks and I couldn't cost average my way down. So what I'm going to do moving forward is narrow down the selection and try to cost average my way down and up so that the losses and the gains are easily manipulated in this portfolio. And that's actually going to help us grow the portfolio quicker in 2021. The only downside there is that I do have to actively trade, which I am doing right now. I am actively trading every single day. So although we are showing a negative $5,400 loss, had I not actively traded today, this loss would have been significantly higher because we did end up making a little bit of profit on some of the trades that we made today. Now, with that being said, let me quickly jump into the options. So there's two options behind my image. One of them is Snow and one of them is PLTR. The PLTR is profitable. The Snow we are losing a little bit of money on. I'm just going to go over the PLTR and below of what you guys can see in the portfolio. So PLTR here, losing $650. Luckily, I can cost average my way down here, and hopefully, if these are good by this Friday, I will be exiting this position by this week. I also did end up buying PRQS on a hype. This did not pay off, and I think I'm gonna have to write this off and just move on with my day. Now, this is the lotto play for today. TME, $21 calls. This is a lotto play, which means it is extremely high risk, but I do see this paying off. So we're going to see how this works and how this pans out for the portfolio. If this does pan out the way I think it will, I want to congratulate everybody that is in this. Now, once again, remember, this is high risk. So if you decide to do this, you are on your own. I also did end up investing in APPS. They did have some large volume on the option side come in today, and that is why I invested in APPS. The rest of the portfolio is pretty old. That means all of these holdings are long, and I've had them for quite a while. So I'm not going to go over them. I am going to go over the losses that we reduced in Apple. So if you guys remember, we were losing roughly around $11,500 not too long ago on Apple, and we have brought that down to $8,500. I'm pretty confident that this is going to go green sometime later in the year. I do not plan on buying any more leap calls for this portfolio. So I'm going to keep everything short and cheap and try to maximize returns over a shorter period of time, just because of the theta decay and the decay in general that we see in these contract or option prices. Also, with the ExxonMobil calls, you guys can see that we have 20 calls, and I plan on holding this till the end of the year. Now, I am going to buy other ExxonMobil calls that expire a little sooner because I do think that they will be profitable very soon. Now, I just need the industrials to pick up a little bit, and that is when ExxonMobil is going to become a viable call option. Now that we've covered covered the options, I do want to remind you guys to smash that like button, hit that like button, turn it blue. And if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel already, subscribe to the channel. You guys get to watch me get to $1 million and hopefully make some really profitable trades over this year. I do post daily content and I am soon going to go live trading every single day. So we're going to be buying and selling stocks together every single day right here on this channel. So become an awesome subscriber and support this channel. Okay, now let's quickly jump into the stocks. And we are seeing a little bit of green already, which is good. Things are recovering. Now I've reorganized the portfolio and the first couple of holdings that I have are all long-term holds. So I'm going to buy into these and keep holding them long-term because I truly believe in each one of these positions. And the first few positions are all the ARK positions. So I have ARKG, ARKW, ARKX, ARKF, ARKK, and ARKQ. I am invested in all of them. However, they are going to be weighted differently, meaning I'm going to invest in ARKG and ARKW more than I am going to invest in the rest of the ARKs. I may invest in ARKX a little more as well. I haven't made that decision just yet because it is so new. But yeah, it's basically all the ARKs, and these are all long-term holds for me in this portfolio. Now, right below ARK, I have PLTR open, which is our #1 contender for 2021, Tesla, Riot, and NIO. These are all also long-term holds for me, so I have sorted that out that way. Now, of course, I'm losing a lot of money in all of these positions, but I'm not too worried about them because these are all, like I said, long-term holds. And I bought all of these in the high when I started this challenge. So that was sometime mid-Feb. So we're just going to hold on to them. I am a believer in all of these companies, and I think we will be fine over the course of the next few months. We are down on BNGO. We are down on NNDM. Now, we do have a couple of new catalysts for both of these ticker symbols. NNDM actually has a new president, which is going to be very exciting. I'm waiting to see what comes out of this tomorrow. We did not see a move around this news today. I'm hoping that we get to see something around NNDM tomorrow. Now, I know this is not going to entirely wipe out all these losses in one day, but it probably will minimize the losses that we are incurring in NNDM. Under NNDM are the ticker symbols that we are stuck with for now because we are losing a little bit of money. SNO, FUBU, CLO, VGAC, SRPT, all losing a lot of money. And once again, FUBU is become a major loss for this portfolio, just like Excel Fleet, and is showing no signs of recovery. So what we're doing is we are buying some options on FUBU sometime this week or the next, depending on when I see the bottom, in order to recoup some of the losses that we incurred in the stock. So that's something that I'm thinking about. And if I can make money on the FUBU calls, I'm more than happy with that. Excel Fleet, once again, losing a little bit of money. Now, Excel Fleet did have a catalyst yesterday. So for those of you who invested in it yesterday, made a lot of money today, I'm guessing. I hope you guys sold it at the high and did not hold on to it. At this point, I don't think Excel Fleet is a stock that you want to hold on to long term. You probably want to move in and out of the stock in order to be able to make money. We're going to quickly go over the rest of these stocks, and I'm just going to hover over them really quickly. You guys can pause the video at any time to see how many stocks I have in each one of these companies. I'm not going to go over them in great depth just now because I'm posting this video really late. I just want to get it out there and make sure that you guys know what is going on with my portfolio. Now, over here, I do have my day trades for the day. These are all the companies that I bought today and I'm going to get out of in the next few days. So I have BTWN, MBIO, GSAH, KOPN, MUDS, X, and CCIV. These were all the trades that I made today. So I wait for movement on day one, and that is generally when I pick them up. And these stocks tend to move for a few days after that. So unfortunately, we did not see enough momentum in all of these companies today, but I am going to hold on to them. And I'm pretty sure we're going to make profitable trades on all of these. Now, I am warming up on day trading, and I am getting better. So we are making money on all the trades that I pick. It's just that sometimes the market is not with you. It's weird because you have half the industry at an all-time high and half the industry at an all-time low. Like if you take Google and Tesla, for example, Google is at an all-time high and Tesla is like near to all-time lows. You know, it's unable to hold any decent line of support. And of course, right below that, we have our Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, Bitcoin and Ethereum, according to everybody and their uncle here on YouTube and every other platform, is getting ready to make a major run. So we're quite excited to be hanging on to Bitcoin and Ethereum. I do think that they are going to make a run. from what I'm hearing, Bitcoin is going to go over $70,000 and Ethereum is going to go to around $2,600. Those are the new lines that people are trending towards. Now, of course, nothing is guaranteed and this is not confirmed and these are volatile investments. So I'm not going to cross my finger or hold my breath on these, but it is good to know that we are seeing a bullish trend on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm very excited to see what these are going to do for the portfolio. So yeah, guys, just like that, this is what my portfolio looked like as of today. I'm going to have a more detailed update for you guys tomorrow because I'll have more time. And just like that, my name is Hamza and I'll see you guys next video.